Hey kids, welcome to another one of these Cool Tool Tuesday videos. I'm Phil Shinbein, and this week I'm going to talk to you about band clamps. As we all know, a band clamp adds equal pressure circumferentially around what we're making, right? And if it is square or rectangular, you use these little inserts here, and they go in the corners. As you can see, it has a square there. It's fairly self-explanatory. If you're doing other shapes, actually, I just found out this morning, if you're doing a triangle, it'll still work in here as well, which is quite handy.
What about a dodecahedron?
A dodecahedron? Yes, you can. Thank you. We'll get to that. Impatient camera guy. In the shooting of this in my own shop, I put together a little 8-sided vessel. It's octagonal, it is about this high, has no bottom. If you can think of a use for it, write it down below in the comments and I'll make that for you out of it and we'll ship it to you. In my own shop, I make drum shells, generally with either 18, 24, or 30-piece segmented rings. And every single ring, I put a band clamp on, right? So some brands of clamps out there are priced such that if I need to do an entire drum set of, segmented shells, I would need, 15, 21 band clamps, right? And that just gets super expensive. These are brilliantly priced such that I can actually buy as many as I need. What makes them even better is that they work better than most band clamps I've come across. My favorite thing about this particular band clamp is that absolutely everything other than the little handle is made of metal. There's no plastic moving bits. There's nothing that takes strain that's made of plastic. It's a fantastic design. Now, the downside of it all being metal is actually kind of a bonus feature in a way, is that it does clamp up super hard. You can over clamp things, you can over tighten it, you can actually mar the surface of what you're working on with this, which is great. It means there's enough headroom to tighten up anything you need to tighten up. So there you have it, Baladonia's all metal, well, mostly metal, super heavy duty band clamp. It is a brilliant piece of kit. If you need a link to this, you can find it in the doobly-doo down below, as well as everything else you need to know to get wood working. If it is your first time here, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Hit the links down below in the doobly-doo, and I'll see you when I see you.